Welcome back. This is Pastor J, or as YouTube knows me, Pastor J 6580. The scary part is to think that there's maybe 6,579 other Pastor J's out there ahead of me, but so be it. This is the channel where I share with you my journey into retirement, and my wife and I have bought a property in Oklahoma, a 5-acre property, nestled in a beautiful little spot, but it's really, really rough. And so this is a journey of rehabbing a home, and I'm going to take you along on the journey with me for that. You've already seen some of it, and I'm just going to kind of resume today to catch you up. Last time you might remember that we removed all the carpet, wearing respirators the whole time, and we tried to dejunk some of the property. Still a lot to go. But the number one problem that we were having was one of smell. Just odor. It was terrible, and I mentioned that. So my big goal this last time was to see if I could get the odor, even after everything else we'd done, to get the odor down to the point that I wouldn't have to wear a respirator just to be in the house working. And what I did was I got online and I looked on Amazon, and no, obviously I'm not sponsored by anyone for that matter, but yeah. I went looking to see what was available in some kind of odor eliminating product, and I came across Odoban, which is highly reviewed on Amazon. Link in the description. Anyway, so I read up on this. It sounded really good. I called the company. I talked to them about how to go about applying it, and ordered their original. They have a professional version. I don't know if I should be saying this or not. This is half the price. It's their regular version, and they told me there's no difference. Not even in concentration, which is really weird. The original flavor, don't drink it, sorry. The original scent is eucalyptus. And I don't know about you, but I didn't know what eucalyptus smelled like. I thought of Hall's menthol eucalyptus cough drop, so I was expecting this really strong, almost menthol smell. And here's the deal, yeah, it's a very light smell. All that's happening to deodorize is happening, I guess, on a chemical level, not so much, it's not masking. There's not enough smell to actually mask anything. And that's what we're going to look at. How did that work? Did it work? There may be other products out there that are better, but this is the one I tried, and I'm going to take you along to show you what I did and let you know how it ended up working. Yeah, so without further ado. Meanwhile, in Oklahoma, we have our Odoban, which we mixed at about 5 ounces per gallon. That seemed to work out fine. And here I am meticulously and very carefully applying it. Well, no, I'm just dumping it. And man, is that a satisfying feeling? Wouldn't you love to do this in your house? There are advantages to having an empty, derelict house. And after I did all the floors in this way, by the way, there was no real scrubbing. All I'm really trying to do is cover every square inch of the house, minus the ceilings, in the Odoban solution and let the chemicals work. I take a sponge and then I'm going to the master bedroom. I got started in the bathroom there, and I'm thinking this is a very big house, but I'm tearing it up. I'm going as fast as I can. And apologies for this view I'm giving you. In 34 years of ministry, I never did that to the congregation, but yeah, sorry, that's about the only way I can do it. I'm getting tired at this point, and I thought, you know what I should do? I should get smart. I should spray the walls with the Odoban, let it sit, and come back with the sponge mop and the bucket, which is exactly what I did, except, yeah, the dog ate my homework. I lost the clips of that process, and really all I was doing was exactly what I did with the floors, and it went much faster when I took the mop. A week later, I headed back to Oklahoma to see how things went.
Okay, honest reaction. I haven't breathed in yet. Let's see. Okay. This is so much better. I'm not saying it smells yet like a space that I totally want to live in smelling this way. Very breathable though. I mean, much better. Much, much better.